Hi all, welcome back. In this video we will see how to filter data in the Tableau. So I have loaded sample superstore file. I'm dragging orders table and placing over here. I can see data got loaded in the Tableau. I'm going to sheet and renaming it as a filters. Now let's create a table of subcategory and sales. I'm able to see that text table got created. Upon clicking on show me, I'll get different options. For this example, I'm selecting horizontal bar graph. Here I can see sales for each subcategory represented by a horizontal bar graph. Let's divide these sales based on the region as well. So I'm taking region and placing it in colors. Here I can see that sales for each subcategory is divided based on the region. So different color represent various regions. Now let's say I want to filter my data based on the region. I'll take region's dimension and place it in the filter card. Here I am getting a new window wherein multiple options are present for filtering the data. We will go one by one. First option is general. Here I can select region of my choice. For this example, I am keeping central and east region, removing south and west. I'll click on OK. You will be able to see that only two regions are showing up. Rest of the region data was removed from the visualization. I'll go back here and edit the filter. Let's click on exclude. It will show all the region data except central and east. Let me click on apply and OK. You can say that south and west showing up. Again going back to edit filter. Let's remove all the filters over here and going to custom value list. Here I can type the region name and click on plus sign. I'm selecting south and east, removing exclude button. Upon clicking on apply, Tableau will keep the data for east and south region. Rest of the region's data would be removed. We'll go back to edit filter. I'm clearing the list. Moving to wildcard. I can give a wildcard characters and select any of these options. So let's say I am keeping character E and keeping contains option. It means that east, west and central will show up. What data for the south region won't show since E character is not present in the south region. I'm clicking on apply, OK. Going back to region, clicking on edit filter. In the wildcard, I can put it option called starts with. Here I am able to filter the region based on the region name starting with character E. So that would be only east region. Let me click on OK and validate it. Alright. Let's remove wildcard character. Clicking on OK. It's showing up data for all the regions. I'm removing region from the filter. Placing subcategory in the filters. Here I am selecting third option as a condition. Now I want subcategory for which sales is greater than 50,000. So I am clicking on by filter. Sales. As aggregate function I am selecting sum. Clicking on greater than and providing the value as 50,000. It means that out of this graph, art data, envelopes data, fasteners, labels and supplies data would be filtered out since their sales is less than $50,000. Let me click on OK. Perfect. I'm going back to edit filter, conditions. I'm providing it as a null and we will see top. Let's say I want to see data for only those subcategories which are in top 5 in terms of sales. I'm selecting by field top 5 sales sum, clicking on apply. So I'm able to see these 5 categories for which sales is highest. As mentioned in the previous video, we can sort the data from here. I'll sort it. Let me remove the subcategory. Now let's place a measure in the filter. So here I'm getting a different window wherein I can filter the data based on this many fields. Let's take sum. Here I can give the range of the sum of sales. I can give starting with 50,000. I'm giving maximum value as 500k and I'm clicking on OK. So my data got filtered based on the range of sum which I have provided. There are some additional options wherein I can select at least. So I'm providing only minimum value. I can give at most value. So I need to provide only maximum value. Apart from this, there are filter criteria for special values. I can go to all values, null value, not null values. So all those options are available. So this was all about basic filters in the Tableau.